Most investors overcomplicate this, and that's exactly why they miss deals. Let me show you how to read a pre-foreclosure list in about 60 seconds. First thing you look at is the address. Not just the street, look at the city and zip code. You want areas where investors are already active and where rents support your numbers. If it's in a weak rental area, it doesn't matter how cheap it looks. Next, scan the owner's name. If it's an individual, that's usually a better opportunity than an LLC or bank-owned situation. You're looking for someone who might actually need a solution, not a company that already knows the game. Then check the default amount or loan balance. This tells you how much pressure the owner's under. Small balances sometimes mean equity, but also less urgency. Higher balances usually mean time is running out. Now look at the filing date. This is huge. If it was just filed, you have time to reach out and negotiate. If it's close to the auction date, you're in a tight window, but sometimes that's where the most motivated sellers are. Then check for multiple filings. If you see repeated notices on the same property, that's a pattern. It usually means the situation has been dragging on, and that can create opportunity. After that, quickly evaluate the property type. Single-family homes are your bread and butter. Avoid anything overly complex unless you already know how to handle it. And here's the part most people skip. Cross-check the property value. In your head, ask, what is this thing actually worth fixed up? Because if the numbers don't make sense at ARV, nothing else matters. That's it. Address, owner, loan, date, pattern, property type, value. You don't need an hour, you need a system, because the investors who win aren't the ones with the biggest lists, they're the ones who can read them the fastest and act first. If you want, I can show you exactly how I filter my list down to real deals in minutes.